Hey guys, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics here. Just a quick one for you today. Got a new gallon of spar urethane here. I want to show you a little trick. This is on keeping your lid nice and clean. Now, even when you got all the stuff on top of it, and I use one of these when I pour. This just slides right on. Works on quarts and gallons. Real simple. Take it off, throw it in the wash. Anyway, what I do is around this inside ring here, where the lip rides inside. Drill yourself some holes. And when you get fluids and stuff in there, they'll always run back out. All the shavings, it doesn't matter. It all gets strained anyway, so it doesn't really matter, okay? Be able to seal it back up exactly the same, tap it on down, and you've got yourself a little drain hole so that it won't keep on building up on you. Some of you guys that pour them out of the can, seen those guys do that. You get a ton of it around here, then you're always wiping it up. Just drill yourself some holes there and let it drain through. Okay, this is Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics. We're out.